Welcome to the operation video series of the Cyasin Duco Robot Intelligent Welding System. In this demonstration, we will show you how to teach an intermittent welding operation. Start by clicking the New button in the lower right corner to create a new program. We will now program a linear weld seam. The most basic welding program consists of 4 points: a start safety point, an arc start point, an arc end point, and a final retraction safety point. Drag the robot to each of these 4 locations and record the points by clicking Record Current Point. After all points have been recorded, click Add Welding Parameters. Intermittent welding is also configured within the welding parameters. Click on the first point, which is the arc start point. Then, click Arc Start on the right side to assign an arc start command. You will see that the subsequent points automatically turn blue. At the arc end point, click Arc End on the right to assign the arc stop command. The path from the arc start point to the arc end point is the actual welding path. The last point, shown in black, is a spatial point, meaning it is not part of the welding path. Now, set the welding parameters in the Weld Seam menu at the arc start point. Click Weld Seam, then click Process Settings, and select Custom Process. Click Edit for the first welding process. Enter the appropriate values. Set the welding current to 240 amperes. Set the welding voltage to 5% in synergic mode, and set the welding speed to 30. The basic welding parameters are now configured. Next, we need to set the weld segment length and gap length for intermittent welding. Click the Intermittent Welding option in the Weld settings. Toggle the function switch to On, and click Edit. The menu includes weld segment length and gap length. In intermittent welding, it is important to ensure the welding length at the beginning and the end of the path, as well as the gap length between weld segments. This requires some calculation. For example, for a welding path that is 230 mm long, if the weld segment is set to 30 mm and the gap length to 20 mm, the robot will weld 30 mm, pause for 20 mm, and repeat this pattern. The last segment will also be 30 mm long. This completes the setup for the intermittent welding operation. Now click Finish, then click Back and save. The robot is now ready to perform intermittent welding.